Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your likes on TikTok. So if you like a video on TikTok, your followers will know what the videos that you like. For example, I like this video and my followers can see it on my account, which one of the videos that I like. So here is the list of the video that I like. So if you want to hide it, just click on the three lines icon at the top and then go to settings and privacy, and here click on privacy and scroll down until you find the like videos. So here, who can watch your like videos. So if you want to change it to, you want to hide it, just click on the only me options and your like videos won't be appear in your profile. So now it's crossed like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.